Hey, how you all doing today? It's been a while since the last Inside Tegiwa, so as always, let's crack straight on with it. So, November. It was another crazy month here at Tegiwa headquarters. With the ongoing pandemic forcing the UK back into lockdown, this saw many of the office staff pack up their PCs, including myself, and set them up at home, whilst essential staff continued to work from headquarters. But we'd like to say a big thank you to all our customers, old and new, who've continued to support us year after year and through these testing times. So, we've added some new arrivals over November, being the world's leading engine management system brand, Haltech. Also, Rebel Exhaust with their new Medallion Touring S exhaust systems. Genuine Honda Stuffed Fluffy Sheep. And finally, for anyone who's got a race or track car project, the RRS Grip 2 FIA approved racing seat, which is the most evolved bucket seat from RRS. Following on from October's Motorsport, we're disappointed that due to the ongoing pandemic, we haven't been able to hit the track for the final round of Time Attack this year, which you can read all about our 2020 season on our blog, or stay tuned on our channel or socials for our 2020 Time Attack highlights video, which is coming soon. And now on to some big news regarding Tegiwa headquarters. In our bid to reduce our carbon footprint and go green, Tegiwa headquarters has gone green. Metaphorically speaking, not literally. Our roof had some new additions, being a host of solar panels. November saw our lighting system replaced with our new eco-friendly system, which will reduce our carbon usage from 9.2 tonnes to 4.2 tonnes. Understandably, this might be somewhat disinteresting to most of the car enthusiasts out there, so how about a bit of green car news in the form of our latest two additions to the Tegiwa Fast Fleet. With the lightning fast 0 to 60 times of around 3.8 seconds, we welcome two brand new Porsche Taycan 4S's into the fleet. And finally, for November, our workshop has undergone a load of upgrades, with our old dyno being ripped out and a brand new Maya MSR 500 being installed. This will enable us to dyno more powerful cars, and who knows, and maybe one day we could bring back VTech Junkies dyno days. Now, on to December. Our renowned 25 Days of Christmas sale returned, with images and videos released every single day, showing off the festive sales. Again, these proved to be popular as ever, with plenty of you guys taking advantage of it. The release of the new badass Toyota Yaris GR took the motoring world by storm, so we've put together a neat little modification guide for those looking to make some upgrades, which you can find on our blog or socials, so be sure to check them out if you've got plans to pick one of these up. It contains big names such as HKS and Cusco, already providing a host of parts, and we're sure to see plenty more to come. And now back onto Tegiwa headquarters. The workshop got the last piece of the puzzle completed too, with our dyno cell getting a complete overhaul with LED lighting, a rewire and a new cooling system. We can't wait to see what cars feature on it and over the course of 2021. And talking of features, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as once things gradually get back to normal, car features will continue. Over the course of 2020, it has been one of our busiest years ever, with around 40 new brands and a vast array of awesome new products available on our website. Not just that, but to keep up with demand and expectations from you guys, we've also doubled the amount of employees here at Tegiwa too. It's been pretty exciting with all the new additions to our Fast Fleet, and with big changes coming to our NSX, 2021 should be as equally exciting, which leads us into January. The majority of our staff are still working from home in accordance to the UK government guidelines, so Tegiwa headquarters have been somewhat quiet compared to normal. However, the work has been busy as normal, with plenty of new brands and products on the website, as well as exciting stuff happening in the workshop. So, the new brands. With winter being the preparation time for most people in motorsport, what better time to get the BG Racing catalogue on our website? BG Racing offer a whole host of motorsport equipment in their extensive catalogue, ranging from string alignment kits to wheel trolleys and everything in between. Not just that, but we've also added both Corby Revenge X and Sprint X seats to our website. And finally, Cooler Works. Well, technically not a new brand, but a brand we have given an overhaul on our website. We now have new applications and options available. Their range or performance shifters not only look the part in the cockpit, but can reduce your throw by up to 40%. Product-wise, aside from welcoming the new brands onto our website, we've seen the addition of many great products too, including the Tamiya and Fujimi model cars, with the Honda S2000 and NSX just to name a couple. Garmin's Catalyst driving performance optimizer and lap timer is the industry's first racing coach that changes the world of motorsport. It mounts in the cockpit to gather your performance data and provide real-time audible coaching. A new array of Yaris GR parts consisting of plenty of chassis upgrade from Cusco and Toyota themselves. And finally, we welcome Speed Socket and their innovative wheel nuts and removal tool. Not only are they super easy to use, but they also make for a much quicker pit stop, which is vital when it comes to competing. And now on to motorsport. It's been busy outside of the office with plenty of action going on in the workshop. Our resident web developer Mike has been busy taking his Civic EK to pieces, preparing for the Time Attack 2021 season, which you'll be able to follow the whole process soon in our build series, so stay tuned for that. You won't be surprised to hear that work is underway on our Honda NSX. We dropped the car off to the chaps at Motorsport and they had the car wheeled into the workshop and started work straight away. The guys whipped the K24 out ready for a shiny new engine along with more go faster parts. But I won't say too much as we'll be revealing more over the weeks to come. And to end it all off with some amazing news, we're now official partners with Tom's Racing, the legendary tuning house that brought you the iconic Castrol Tom Supra in the late 90s, specialised in bringing you tuning parts for both Toyota and Lexus. And that wraps up this video. I want to say thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss future content, and I'll see you all in the next one. See you later.